My name is Atakhilti. Does it really mean vegetable? There has to be a better meaning. Well, technically it does mean vegetable, but it also means greenery. So it's associated with the lush, with life. Think about it this way. Back in the day in our area, rain wasn't that common. So plants, greenery, everything was associated with life, with prosperity, with growth. So giving your child a name that was associated with some sort of plant, it's seen as something beautiful and positive, similar to lemlem. It has the same meaning. And another very common name is tekhle, same exact root, tehli, plant.
Learn to speak Tigrinya with our new conversation course, only on semikids.com.
Culture is cool.